Garmin has announced the CIRQA Smart Band. Its first screen-free smart band designed for the continuous health and fitness tracking without a display. The wearable offers up to 10 days of battery life, provides around-the-clock health and fitness monitoring, and automatically records health and activity data that can be accessed through the Garmin Connect app. Garmin says, the smart band's core health and fitness features do not require a subscription. The Garmin CIRQA price is $200. CIRQA Smart Band uses light sensor on its underside to track everything you would expect: heart rate, skin temperature, stress, blood oxygen, and energy. When you work out, Garmin says the band automatically detects the type of exercise, or you can manually select it from over 80 different workout types, and compatible iPhone or Android smartphone. Enable GPS tracking to see your distance and pace. Swimmers can use the device in water to a depth of 50 meters. Women can also track their menstrual cycle and pregnancy. It will be available to order starting July 24, 2026. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.